With the economic situation in Nigeria, it is very important for everyone in Nigeria to establish means of making at least 5,000 Naira every single day. Now, making 5,000 Naira every single day in Nigeria is not as difficult as many people think it is. All you need to do is to get it right. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make 5,000 Naira every single day in Nigeria. Now guys, you all know that 5,000 Naira, multiply it by 30, that gives us 150,000 Naira. This simply means that in a month, you could be making 150,000 Naira just by implementing this method I'm going to be sharing in this video. Now, you don't need any experience, you don't need any qualifications, you don't need any skills. All you need to get started is your mobile phone, have the right mindset, and of course, a good internet connection. The good news is that this method works worldwide, so it doesn't matter which part of the world you are in. You can start making money online just by implementing these strategies I will share in this video, especially if you are that individual that is actively searching for how to make money online. So if this sounds like the content you'd like to watch, stick around to the end of this video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is N5000. On this channel, I share information on different ways of making money online. So for more content, join the family by subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell beside it so you get notified when a new video is up on this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you all are welcome back. So without further ado, I'm going to be taking you to my laptop screen to show you how you can start making this 5,000 Naira every single day in Nigeria. Now let's go. So guys, to make 5,000 Naira in Nigeria, what you need to do is to come over to this website called Fiverr. All right, you can use the link in the description. When you use that link to bring you to this page, and if you don't have an account, you sign up. You need to create an account, okay? Just put in your info, your details, put in your email, sign up, and then you create a gig. All right. Now, a gig is like your niche, okay? What you need, what you want to sell on Fiverr, that is a gig. All right. So if you don't know how to create a gig on Fiverr, you can go and learn the skill on Skillshare. I'm going to be leaving Skillshare website in the description, okay? So when you sign up with the link in the description, okay, for Skillshare, you'll get a 1 month free Skillshare free trial, okay, free membership on Skillshare, and you can learn all the skills you want to learn, okay, on Skillshare. Okay, 1 month you can use it to learn all the skills you want to learn. If you want to know how to, you want to learn how to create a gig on Fiverr, they are all on Skillshare. All you need to do is just to create an account, okay, get the free membership, and go in and type how to create gig on Fiverr, and the classes would come up, and you choose the tutor you want to listen to, and then listen to the person, watch the video, and see how they create the gig on Fiverr, and then come over to your Fiverr and start creating the gig. Okay, so let's see some gigs that you can actually use to make this 5,000 Naira. Now, it does not matter if you're making 5,000 Naira, if you're earning it, if you're earning the money in Naira or you're earning in dollar. It doesn't matter. You can see in Fiverr, Fiverr does not pay you in Naira. Fiverr pays in dollars. All right. So if you have a Fiverr account, you can actually earn equivalent amount of money. You can, if you have a gig that you're selling for $5, or you have a gig that you're selling for $10, that's equivalent to 5,000 Naira, right? So you can earn more than 5,000 Naira here on Fiverr. All right. So now let's click on this gig called Flyer. Okay, we click on Flyer, and you see so many gigs. People are selling flyer gigs. Okay, and this one says, I will design professional event flyer, party flyer designs, and so on for $10. Okay, now $10 is equivalent to 7,000 Naira, right, for one flyer. All right, and you can see here it has like 4.9 star rated star, and then 1,000 people. More than 1,000 people have actually ordered from this guy. 1,000 people times it by 10. You know how much this guy has actually made from this particular gig here. This is a simple thing you can actually learn on Canva. You can get it on Canva. You come over to Canva, okay, type flyer. Okay, these are all flyer templates. All you need to do is to edit it, customize it, okay, to what your client wants, and then will deliver it to your clients, okay, and they pay your money, and that's how you make your money. All right. So this one here is this one says, I will do an awesome professional business flyer. There are different flyers: business flyers, party flyers, event flyers. You know, you can choose which one you you want to do. You want to do, or you mention it in your gig, and then Canva to edit it. Okay, use Canva, search for business flyers. Okay, search for come over to search button and type business flyers. Let's say we want to do business flyers. Business flyers. All right, so these are business flyers. All these are business flyers. Edit it and, you know, edit it to what your client wants and send it to them, and, you know, they pay your money. Okay, so basically this is how you can make money selling this flyer gig. All right, the next gig you can actually make money from, okay, is background image, background remover. Okay, remove background from, okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. This is very simple. You don't need skills for this, guys. You don't need any skills for this. All you need is just a software that will help you do this for you. And I'm going to show you the software or the website you can use to actually do all of this, okay? You don't need skills, don't need experience. This is very simple, okay? I will remove background from images just in 2 hours. So in 2 hours of removing background from image, he's charging $5. And now you can see that 696 people have actually ordered from this guy. Okay, so times it by 5, you know how much this guy has made in just by removing a background from images. All right, so now how do you do this? You can use this website here called remove.bg, like remove background. Come to Google and type remove background and click on the first link. Okay, you click on the first link, it will bring you to this page. So what you need to do, click on upload image. Upload any image you have in your library, okay, image library, and then it will automatically remove the background for you. Okay, all right, it will automatically remove the background for you. That's how you can earn 5,000 Naira or even more. Okay, it doesn't matter. Like I said, you can earn in Naira, you can earn in dollars. It does not matter. Okay, the most important thing is that you're making the money that is equivalent to 5,000 Naira or even more in Naira. Okay, because Fiverr does not pay you in Naira, they pay you in dollars. Okay, so if you're earning $5, or you're earning $10 from Fiverr, you know how much that is in Naira, right? The other one is dancing. Okay, people are making money just doing what they love on Fiverr. Okay, this one says, I will create dopest TikTok dance video on your music. And he's charging $15, guys. $15, and 145 people have ordered from this guy. Okay, times it by 15. You know how much this guy has made just by creating TikTok dance videos on music. This one says, I will create a TikTok dance video to promote your music. And she's charging 35 on, yeah, is she, right? She's charging $35. Now, 772 people have ordered from this guy, from this lady. All right, and you know how much this lady has made. And so if you times 772 times 35, you know how much this lady has made just by creating a TikTok dance video to promote a music. All right, this one says, I will create a unique dance and music videos for you, and she's charging $80, and 67 people have ordered from this guy, from this lady. All right, and you can see that is how people are making money, guys. Fiverr is in Nigeria. All you need to do is to use that link in the description and sign up, create a gig. Okay, this is $20 is actually basic. Standard is $20 and premium is $30. 1 minute TikTok video. He's making 1 minute TikTok video dance, just 1 minute. This is 15 seconds TikTok video. You're paying $15. This is 30 seconds TikTok dance video. You're paying him $20, guys. And plus 30-second professional dance video plus post on TikTok, you know, and you're paying him $20. I mean, that is a lot of money, guys. Okay, so you can see how he created his own gig. You know, just go through, don't copy and paste. Just go through and create your own gig. Go and use Skillshare and learn how to create gig on Fiverr. Create your gig and start making money. All right. The second website that will pay you 5,000 Naira or more in Nigeria is called Writer's Gig. So I've made a detailed video about Writer's Gig. All right, so you can go to my channel and watch that video. I'm going to be leaving the link to the video in the description, okay? But if you can't find the link, you can go to my channel and watch the video. So this is where you become a writer. You can write for people. There are different kinds of writing gigs, okay? They have blog writing, they have UX writing, copywriting, technical writing, artistic writing, script writing, ghost writing. I've made a detailed video on this. I'm not going to touch so much about this. Let's look at this this artistic writing. Okay, let's look at this gig. Okay, you can see people are making 2,000 naira. This one is making 10,000 naira to write, 3,000 naira. This lady is making this one is charging 5,000 naira. Okay, so you can do the same thing. Okay, sign up. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link also in the description. Sign up, create your account, create your gig, and then start selling. Okay, choose your category. What niche do you want to focus on? Is it blog writing, or you want to do both? You want to do all of it? Is okay. You can put everything in your gig, all right, and charge. Put how much you're going to charge people. Is it 5,000? Is it 10,000 naira? Is it 2,000 naira? You know, per writing. It's up to you. All right. So if you don't know how to write, you don't have to worry yourself. Okay. I have a software that will help you to write, and that software is called the Write.me. Now, this software will help you to write. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. Okay. A better 10 times faster way to write. Landing page copies, product descriptions. You can see these are the things, story plots. These are all the things you can write. Instagram posts. You can write so many things for people. SEO titles, YouTube descriptions, taglines and headlines, interview questions, you know, testimonials and reviews, profile bio. You can write emails. You can write so many things on this particular blog. You can write so many things on this particular platform. This particular AI will help you to write all of this. All right. So what you need to do is to use the link in the description and click on write, start writing. Okay. So you click on start writing. Because you don't have an account yet, you have to create an account by signing up. Okay. Sign up, put in your detail, your email, your first name, your last name. Just create your account, and to bring you to this page. Once you're done, you confirm your account, your email. It will bring you to this page, and what you need to do is to select. Okay. Choose, you want to, you're writing, of course, is writing, right? So you select blog section writing. So when you select blog section writing, you can choose your section topic, okay? Then section keywords, the variant, how many sections do you want? And then click on write for me, and to start writing for you. You don't have the writing skills. If you don't know how to write, you can use this to write. Another website that will help you to make money or make 5,000 naira in Nigeria is called Upwork. Now, Upwork is just similar to Fiverr. They are all freelancing platform. Okay, these three websites I've shown to you, they are all freelancing platform. So what you need to do in Upwork is to, I'm going to also be leaving the link in the description. What you need to do is to click on sign up. Okay, when you click on sign up here, okay, it will bring you to a page. I'm a client hiring for a project. I'm a freelancer looking for work. So you have to choose which one are you. So of course you want to become a freelancer, right? So you have to click, I'm a freelancer looking for a work. So you click on that, you click on apply as a freelancer. And then you can put in your first name, your last name, your email address, password, your country, you know, and create your account, and then go to your email, verify your account. So now it's basically the same as Fiverr. All right. When you come over here, you can sell the same gig on these different platforms. So you can do so many things here, even flyer. You can design flyer as well for people. You can design flyer for people. Okay. This one is Nigeria. Graphic designer, banner, brochure, flyer, infographics. So he's charging $40 per hour. This one is charging $50 per hour. All right, so this lady also in the United States is charging $60 per hour. All right, so you can charge, it's up to you how much you want to charge. Like I said earlier, you can use Canva to design flyers. Okay, You can also use Canvas to design. You can use Canvas to design different flyers, business flyer, party flyers, event flyers. All right. And you can sell whatever gig you have here. You can also sell it on Upwork here. Whatever gig you have on Fiverr, you can sell it on Upwork. They are the same platform. Okay. So you can attract different clients. All right. So that is it. You can also look for, there are color correction. Okay, color correction. You can set all of this on Upwork, video edit and colorists. Okay, so you can see this ones. This is photo editor, retouching, video colorist. So they can edit your videos, edit your photos, add some color to it. You can see this. This is photo retouching. Okay, this one is an amazing Photoshop professional editing. So you can see here. You can see the difference. Okay, and this is charging, this guy is charging $10 and this guy is charging $20 for photo retouching. This one is photo grading and correction, is charging from $50. Okay, delivery is 1 day. So you can choose your gig and create it and and start making this 5,000 Naira online. Okay, it's very, very simple. Just, you don't need experience. All you need, you can do this on your mobile phone, you can do it on your laptop. Okay, you can do it on your desktop, you can do it on your iPad. All right, so you can use all these platforms. I'm going to be leaving all the link in the description so you can have access to them and get started making money online. Okay, start earning that 5,000 Naira online. All right. So guys, drop a comment in the comment section and let me know if you're currently making use of this method I mentioned in this video to make money online, or if there's any other method you're using to make 5,000 Naira online in Nigeria. Let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know in the comment section what you think about this video if you have not liked it, so that other people can see this video and watch. All right. And also, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. I appreciate you all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.